But I just spent a week on a yacht in Croatia because I'm rich. And while I was there, I had a lot of downtime. And what I was doing is practicing my nunchucks on the boat. So the boat's unstable. It's an unstable platform, which made it much more difficult because the timing's more difficult and catching is more difficult. Then I thought, this can extrapolate towards life. You can't just be good at something when the conditions are optimal. You must be good at things when the conditions are suboptimal. You must be able to perform when others cannot perform. You must be able to be the guy who can go out into the rain and still be outstanding. That's who I am. So I'm not good at things when I'm supposed to be good at things or when everyone's good at things. I'm good at things when other people are not good at things. That's why I am me.